Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Firmly press each caster into the base until you hear a click. Next, insert the gas lift into the base. The arrow on the mechanism should face towards the front of the chair. Attach the mechanism using the included screws. Fasten each screw in an alternating cross pattern as shown here. Connect your backrest onto the seat cushion with the included screws. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift.